It's the Chop Shop. You know what it is. Today's episode, we're faking the fabrication. You know, Mr. Chop Shop graduated from YouTube school. And if you could see that Mr. Chop Shop made a piece that goes right here, but for the other side. And he had to make sure it had this shape in it. If you don't have that shape, might as well pretend that you know some other kind of job and fake it somewhere else, because it's not going to work. It took me many years and many moons to be able to use that shit over there. These metal pliers made by Muff Diver, aka Mr. Chop Shop, Raymond Reddington, and all the other aka aliases that I have. But I made this piece. We're gonna go test fit it and see how it came out. Yes. You see how it goes. Now you know why Mr. Chop Shop gets paid pennies, because he fabricates special things to fit under here. That's why I get paid pennies. Instead of the big bucks, I get paid pennies. Because I know I know what I'm doing. Wink, wink. The Chop Shop. So what kind of work you get? Mr. Chop Shop's gonna put another one in here, one in there, and peel all this away. Use the hot glue gun and fix that. It's the Chop Shop. You know what it is. Conning people out of money. They think I went to body school. Remember, if it doesn't say the Chop Shop, it's not the real thing. Think about it.